Bringing home a new baby is a joyous time. It's also a time for big changes. Your little one will grow and learn quickly. Soon, they'll be crawling and exploring their world. This means you need to make your home safe for your little explorer. That's where baby-proofing comes in. It's all about preventing accidents and keeping your baby safe from harm. Baby-proofing might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By taking it step by step, you can create a safe and loving environment for your little one. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your baby's well-being. Babies are naturally curious. They love to explore their surroundings. Everything is new to them. They touch, grab, and put things in their mouths. While this curiosity is a natural part of their development, it also makes them vulnerable to potential hazards around the house. A seemingly harmless electrical outlet can become a serious danger. A low-lying table can lead to a nasty bump. That's why baby-proofing is not just a good idea, it's essential. By taking the time to baby-proof your home, you're taking proactive steps to prevent accidents and create a safe space for your child to thrive. Baby-proofing doesn't mean you have to completely overhaul your home. It's more about making thoughtful adjustments to ensure your baby's safety. It's about identifying potential hazards and taking simple, practical steps to address them. This can be done with a few key changes and some careful planning. Let's break it down room by room, so you can tackle each area of your home effectively and efficiently. Living room. Cover all electrical outlets with safety plugs. These plugs prevent curious little fingers from getting into dangerous places. Secure furniture that could tip over, like bookshelves and TV stands, to the wall with brackets or straps. This helps prevent serious injuries from falling furniture. Use corner guards on sharp furniture edges. These guards can cushion the impact if your baby bumps into them. Keep dangling cords from blinds and curtains out of reach. Cords can pose a strangulation hazard, so it's crucial to secure them. Kitchen install safety latches on all cabinets and drawers, especially those containing cleaning supplies or sharp objects. This prevents your baby from accessing dangerous items. Never leave pots and pans unattended on the stovetop. Always turn pot handles inward to avoid accidental spills. Use a stove guard to prevent access to hot burners. This can help avoid burns and other injuries. Store household cleaners and chemicals high up and out of sight. This keeps toxic substances away from your baby's reach. Bathroom. Keep all medications, toiletries, and cleaning products in locked cabinets or out of reach. This ensures that harmful substances are not accessible. Use a non-slip mat in the bathtub and install a toilet lid lock. These measures help prevent slips and accidental drownings. Always supervise your baby near water, even small amounts. Babies can drown in just a few inches of water, so constant vigilance is necessary. Bedrooms. Install window guards or stops to prevent falls. These devices can keep your baby safe from potentially dangerous falls. Use a baby monitor to keep an ear on your little one while they sleep. This allows you to respond quickly if they need you. Make sure the crib meets current safety standards and has a firm mattress that fits snugly. This reduces the risk of suffocation and other sleep-related hazards. Stairs. Install sturdy safety gates at the top and bottom of all stairs. These gates prevent falls and keep your baby safe from stair-related injuries. Make sure gates are properly installed and cannot be easily opened by a child. Regularly check the gates to ensure they remain secure and functional. Section 4. Beyond the basics, extra tips for super safe homes. While the checklist above covers essential baby-proofing measures, here are some additional tips to make your home extra safe. First, get down low. The best way to spot potential hazards is to see the world from your baby's perspective. Babies are naturally curious and will explore every nook and cranny. Get down on your hands and knees and crawl around each room. This will help you identify hidden dangers that you might miss from an adult's height. Look for anything your baby could reach that might be dangerous. This includes small objects, sharp edges, and electrical outlets. Next, secure heavy furniture. Even furniture you wouldn't think could tip over can be a hazard to a curious toddler. Children love to climb, and this can lead to accidents. Secure heavy dressers, bookshelves, and appliances to the wall using furniture straps or brackets. This simple step can prevent serious injuries. And don't forget to check for recalls. Many products are recalled due to safety issues that could pose a risk to your child. Regularly check for product recalls on baby items, especially cribs, car seats, and toys. These items are used daily and need to be safe. You can sign up for email alerts from the Consumer Product Safety Commission or CPSC. This way, you'll be immediately informed of any recalls or safety notices. Section 5. A note on toys and playthings. Toys are an essential part of your baby's development. They encourage imagination, creativity, and learning. When choosing toys, always opt for those that are age-appropriate and meet safety standards. Look for toys that are well-made and durable, with no small parts that could pose a choking hazard. Avoid toys with sharp edges or points. Regularly inspect toys for wear and tear, and discard any that are broken or damaged. Remember, the safest toys are those that are used under adult supervision. Section 6. The final word. Supervision is key. While baby-proofing your home is crucial, it's important to remember that no amount of baby-proofing can replace attentive supervision. Always be present and engaged with your child, ensuring their safety at all times. Always keep a watchful eye on your little one, especially when they are exploring new environments. New places can present unexpected hazards, so your vigilance is key. As your baby grows and develops, their abilities and curiosity will also grow. They will start to reach for new objects and try new things, which can sometimes be dangerous. You'll need to constantly reassess your baby-proofing measures and make adjustments as needed. This includes updating safety locks, gates, and other protective gear. Remember, baby-proofing is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Regularly check your home for potential hazards and make necessary changes. By taking these steps and remaining vigilant, you can create a safe and nurturing environment where your little one can explore, learn, and grow. Your active supervision is the best way to ensure their safety and well-being.